Sid here, back again with another video. In this video we're going to discuss about how you can create a yoga teacher website. So we have a domain.com. So what I'm doing here, basically I came here just buying the domain and hosting. Once you done the process, which is the domain and hosting, you can create a website easily. So here we are. So before buying this domain, you need to click here, which is a the logo part is. I'm going to click at the domain. Once you clicked on the domain, here just you need to go down, and here you can select whatever domain is required. And you want a new domain India, whatever domain you want. So I just click there, and I'm going to select which is the new domain India something, and I'm going to click on the which is there hosting button, because I need a hosting also. So here the multiple plans we have. If you're having the multiple website, definitely you can select a multiple options like a advanced unlimited web hosting, but I have one website, so I want to buy a personal. So here you can check the multiple benefits, the unlimited SSD bandwidth and FTP or something. Yeah, and then just click on the order now, or just click on the use. And yeah, finally we have the domain and hosting also. This is a hosting plan, which is the 1429 rupees only. And ID protections, you want to protect your websites, of course just click on the ID protections, also DNS management, and just click on the continue. Now you need to click on the checkout. So the final step, basically you need to put your information here. So once you finally put it the information, then you need to log in. So I have already account in domain register. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to here as I'm going to click here the login. So finally I need to put here the some ID and password, whatever your ID is. Just you need to just put here the email ID and password. So after that, what we need to do here, we click on login button, you need to put your ID, email ID and password something. So I'm going to click on the service. So you could, after clicking the services, you need to click on the active button. Yes, now we are, just click on the login to cPanel button. So once you clicked on the login to cPanel, what you need to do, I'm also explaining you, don't worry. So now we are inside of the cPanel. Just scroll down, or you can also search. So I'm going to click on the WordPress, because we're creating a website in WordPress only. So I just click on the WordPress. Now what you need to do, just scroll down, and I have already installed the WordPress. So now I'm going to remove this one, remove installation. But what you need to do, once you again whenever you coming here, then click on the install. And also I want to main directory, and if you want to subdirectory, create suppose this is your domain and you want to put in the blog something, so you can put the blog and whatever you want. This is a version basically. Also we want in HTTPS, so I just selected the HTTPS version. And you whatever admin user you want, so I just want to admin, and just click on the hide and whatever you want. And I want to put the password, okay. And also here you can select any email ID, whatever your email ID is. So yeah, I have put it. Now again just scroll down and just click on the install. So after clicking the installations, this will take less than 30 seconds something. So now we are the finally successfully installed the WordPress. Just click on the main, this is a home page, and this is the admin panel. So after clicking the admin panel and home page, you can check this is a home page, okay. Also now we are the admin panel. Look, we have the admin panel. So using admin panel, just I'm giving the overview about the admin panel. You can check up the setting. So whatever setting is there, you can change your email ID and password something, okay. So also some permanents I will explain you, don't worry. And any plugin you want to add, so of course you can click on the plugin and you can search here, and whatever plugin you need, and you need to click on the, suppose we want a SEO, okay. So I just search on the here only the keyword which is SEO, and you just need to click on the install. So this way you can install the plugin. So now the main point, we need to first of all install the theme. So I'm going to click on the theme and click on the add new, and here you can set extra. After clicking the extra, what you need to do, just click on the install button. Just click on the install button, yes. This will take little bit time, so keep patience. So finally this is successfully installed. Just click on the active button. So after clicking active button, what you need to do, also you need to click here, which is the extra option. Then we need to import all plugins. So just click on the import all plugins. So this process will take little bit time, so keep patience. Yeah, finally this is successfully installed. So now you can select whatever page builder you need. Suppose we have the Elementor, we have the Brewer template, and so I'm going to select which is the Elementor. Yeah, after clicking the starter template, I am going to search here as a yoga. Okay, we have this template, the beautiful template, so I'm going to click on the import side. Just select intermediate, whatever you want, and I'm going to click here the and also I'm going to delete the previous whatever we have, and click on the continue. I don't want to put my information again and again, so I'm going to click on the escape button. So after the clicking escape button, this will take little bit time, so this will delete old post, and then this, I mean, of course template will import the multiple things in the website. So yeah, this process we're following right now. This will take little bit time. So finally import successfully happened. Now just click on the new site, visit site, which is the view site. So after that we came in the, you know, the website, and here we can also check our website. And suppose I'm going to show you how you can change your menu things, okay, and also how you can manage your the footer part. So let me click on the customize. You need to click on the customize button, so you can easily manage your, you know, the logo and menu in the and header we have, and footer part also you can easily manage from the just clicking on the customize button. Also many more things also you can manage from the so I am going to click here again. We have the menu, so I just click on the menu. Then what we can do, just click on this logo. Also you can change the logo whatever you have, and also here you can change the, you know, menu things. I already explained about the, you know, just click here, and primary menu we have. Okay, so you want to increase the width, of course you can increase the width, but I don't want to increase the width. I'm going to back. And suppose you want to add on or remove something, suppose publication I don't want, get fit I don't want, so just click here, and you can remove. Suppose this publication I don't want the menu, of course you can remove. And then you need to click on the publish button, and just again just go back. And here we have the some part of the footer section, you can say. So just click on the this here, suppose how many columns you want and how you want the website look like this. So of course you can select and then suppose the text part is there, okay, some join something text is there, but you want to change something, correct? So how you can change, let me show you. The content is there, okay, like a widgets we have the footer part. Yeah, so you can change from there. Is a John 100, this is title, and some descriptions part is also there. So okay, so you can change this title and description from the clicking on the footer section, which coming from the widgets, and you want to change some of the copyright something here, whatever copyrighted title and something. So this came from here, the whatever site title you're putting in the website, and also the current URL which is coming from the backend only. You can check which is the current, and not in the syntax something you can say, I mean 2020 to 2021 22 whatever is current, the year, so automatically will appear only here. And this way of course you can easily manage your, the website is a, powered by, is a powered the my blog something is coming from the title only. So yes, this way you can easily manage your header and footer part. Also I am going to show you again how you can change the website banner, this part. So you need to click on the Elementor is the basic, backbone of this website, because you can maintain everything from, most of the things is 95%, 90%, 95% something control from the Elementor only, so because of the Elementor using, you can change easily banner entire website. Suppose you have the contact page and you want to add on something, so you can use using this Elementor plugin. So this is really amazing plugin. So you can create a website as an easy way, and even you don't know about the coding. So just click on the, suppose I want to change this banner, you need to click in the three, I mean which is the three dot and something here. So you want to change, so just click on the style, and here you can choose whatever banner you have. So just click in the choose. After then you can select the free template or media library if you're having, or otherwise you can select the upload from your computer, and you don't want the which is already uploaded in the media library, you can select from the media library. Okay, I'm going back here. So easy way you can change from this, and you want to change something which is a text, title and description, easily you can manage. Look, we have the title, we have description, so easily way you can manage. So this way you have the multiple services with a different background. So definitely you can also can change like an icon. Look, we have the icon and we have the also title. So yes, this way you can easily manage your website. Look, we have the title, we can also either put it in the website, and also we can save the data. Yes, look, we have the title we have, and we have the description. So this way you can manage your title, description, and also some client testimonial sections, and the speakers, and who is giving the idea, what are the benefit of yoga, whatever things you need, some testimonial things is coming here, and here your client is logo, so you can put there. So this way you can manage your website. And also the main part also I forgot to explain you, if you want to customize and the which is your form. So I have created a separate video, so you can go through, and suppose your form is not working, definitely you can configure your SMTP things from after watching my video. If you know that this is good for you, otherwise you don't know, so you can write in the Google, I mean YouTube, and you can search my which is the SMTP real programmer. So definitely this video will get I'm going to show you this one, how to send email in WordPress using SMTP, Gmail SMTP. So of course this after this video you can definitely be able to send, I mean whatever mail you want to send the client, definitely. So try to watch this video, definitely when you will solve your problem. Okay, so now I'm going back, let me go back here, I'm going. So also the after logging this the website, also you can check we have the premium SEO tools free. So you can access, and you can check your whatever the competitor is there, whatever title and description. So many things you can control from there only. So we don't have anything, so we're not getting any the right now. So of course you need to put the keyword and something, so you can get the easily. Now here we are. So let me select the template again. We have this website, beautiful website. So hope so now you understand how you can configure your, I mean this which is sending mail process for the, you can include the form also in the website. And also you facing any kind of issue, let me know, definitely I will create a separate video. Please subscribe my channel. Also thank you for watching this video.